Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get free Bitcoin just by using a browser app. Okay, so I know you're probably searching for Bitcoin IO, but I'm going to share with you another tool that you can use to collect Bitcoin completely for free just by installing this browser. Okay, the other thing is what I like about this browser is that you get paid 10 levels deep. So basically, once you start referring people and they refer and they refer and they refer, at a 10 level, you get paid on all of those levels. So it's pretty cool, guys, and you can make a lot of money with this just by referring people. I'm going to show you the tab right now. So I'm going to click on crypto tab. You can see the orange and white tab, and it takes me to, it's just a simple browser, you know, like how you get the Google Chrome on your pad. It's the same thing. And then all you simply do is you, like, let's say if you want to, you usually search Google, right? So you just click, you see where it says Google over there, you just literally press Google and it takes you straight to Google, and then I can go and do my browsing, whatever it is. So this is a really cool way to earn a little bit of extra income. Now, also, if you want to make money with this, like serious money with this, I mean, obviously you're making money by browsing and everything, but if you want to make more money, just refer your friends and, you know, like anyone that you know, or, you know, promote it if you can promote it, and you will be making so much more money by just referring people. Okay, so if you want to know how to get access to the app, just click the link in the description box below this video and click where it says app version. And also there is another browser version as well, like on your laptop, and that is also in the description below this video. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video, and take care, and I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.